Let me paint a picture for our listeners. A homeowner here in the valley, maybe they've been in their house more than 8 years or 10 years, and the house looks fine.
Hmm.
Now, there's no leaks, no staining, ceiling stainings, nothing obvious, but storm season is here. And we talked about this like a couple days ago. Why should that specific homeowner pick up the phone and call roofers or call Steel Country right now, even if they're not seeing a single problem?
It's really simple. Two words:
Mhm.
preventative maintenance. Another two words: insurance premiums. So, with the rise of insurance premiums going up and deductibles going up, it's very important that homeowners are proactive regarding their roof care. And once a roof, depending on the style of the shingle, once a roof reaches a certain age, it's always good to have it checked at least once a year. You don't drive your car the whole year without taking it in for an oil change and a tire rotation. Why then would you get beyond 8 to 10 years of living in one of the biggest investments you'll ever make, which is your house, and never pay any attention to the roof? See it every day.
Now, what's the duration? Like a minimum of 5 years, you should have an inspection, or what?
A good rule of thumb: anything over 3 years, as long as you're outside of the storm windows, anything over 3 years, you definitely want to make sure you have it checked. Once you start getting up into 10, 15, 20, 25 years, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and get the roof replaced. In my experience over the last 5 years of working in the industry, what I've seen here, particularly in San Antonio, is that most of the houses are underventilated, which causes a premature aging of the shingles. The
Mm.
attic, the heat will always rise. It rises to the crest of the roof. In most places, it's the ridge. And if the roof is not properly ventilated, it's going to cause blistering. The shingles cook from underneath and they'll fall off once we get a lot of heavy rains. And that then causes premature aging of the roof system.